Hi, my name is Nitesh Parbat. Having the appropriate instruction in the single most crucial factor, on-screen acting workshop was fortunately there for me to encourage and guide me my career as an actor. Mr. Tarunabh Dutta make it a point to give everyone as many opportunity to perform as they can to ensure that you have solid understanding of how to bring your character to life in front of the camera. He provides in-depth lesson on the fundamental of acting for the camera. The workshop provides extra assistance to those participants who are new to acting, ensuring that they are prepared for the censor that they will be performing in each and every class. The director possesses to remarkable ability to exect the very best performance out of his cast members. He achieved this by selecting, compiling script and talented actors and crews. His films are known for their realism. After learning that I had acted in the films, my friends are typically interested in watching it because the plot is always unique in comparison to that of other films. The Girl in the Photo, The Accident-Prone Area, The Road to Hell, and My Love is Vengeance and Adhurva are some of my movies in which I have already appeared in the role of an actor. I am grateful to have the opportunity to participate in such a wonderful acting workshop and film studio, and I would highly recommend to anyone who is interested in pursuing as a career in acting.